Welcome back to my channel, guys. What I've noticed is that most learners are running away from solving these types of challenges. They find them very difficult. They don't have the basics or the foundations for solving such types of problems. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve these different types of quadratic equations so that you can have the knowledge of solving them step by step. The first one that we have is number C, which says minus 8x squared minus 12x equal to 0. So the first thing that we have to do is to get our greatest common factor. So our greatest common factor is going to be negative 4x. So inside the bracket, I'll be left with x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So that leads me to the zero product property, of which I've applied here. Now we're gonna have negative 4x equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0. Now most learners, they won't understand this part, but to get it right, you just need to multiply out with 4x just to get back to this part, so that you know that you're on the right side. Like on this side, we have negative 4x, so it's gonna be plus x plus 3. Now we know that we have these two factors as our zero product property. That means one of these numbers or variables must be 0 in order to get a product of 0. So the next step, solving this, on the left hand side you're gonna have xn equals to 0 divided by 4 or x taking 3 to the other side is gonna be x equal to negative 3. So we have both of these answers. This one ends up with x equal to 0, and this one is x equal to negative 3. The next one, number D, the question statement reads thus: x squared minus 81 equal to 0. Now we need to notice the difference between the one that we've just solved and this one, because this one is a difference of 2 squares. Now it can be written as x squared minus 9 squared equal to 0, because 9 squared is equal to negative 81. Now what you're gonna do, we're gonna end up with a difference of 2 squares, which becomes x and 0. Now to get these factors, we need to add plus 9 negative 9. So that's what we call the difference of 2 squares. Now for the solution of our answer to the key moment, x plus 9 equal to 0, or x minus 9 equal to 0. So we see from here x equals to negative 9, or x equal to positive 9. This is the solution of the quadratic equation. If you have the difference of 2 squares, like x squared minus 81, it's way too different from the one that we solved previously. So guys, tomorrow we continue with difference of two squares and perfect squares. Subscribe to learn more about these. Catch you guys tomorrow.